Hi Aries, welcome to another love reading of yours. This is going to be for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus for the week of 13th to the 19th of July 2020. Please keep in mind this is a general reading, so this may or may not resonate with every Aries watching this video. Time is fluid, as you know, so this could have happened or will be happening. All right, you could be anywhere in this story. Some of the energies of the cards here can be flipped, so feel free to switch the energies, vice versa. And if you need more information or if you need a private reading, then that information is going to be down below. This is for my Aries in love for the 13th to the 19th of July 2020. What do we have? You could be dealing with a Pisces. Pisces just got the Justice in reverse in this exact position. All right. Aries, someone's not being able to walk away, okay? You could have dropped someone, they could have dropped you, but someone's not being able to walk away. Someone's too emotionally invested in a connection, and now it's stressing the shit out of them, okay? It's a very draining energy. You're just being super drained about a certain situation with someone, okay, who you can't walk away from. You could have made up your mind about dropping this person, but still you haven't fully walked away, or you tried to, but you just could not do it. Right now, I see that things have come to a complete halt. There is stagnancy, okay? Things are stuck and stagnant. Could be no communication or or miscommunication, okay? But I'm getting complete no communication between you guys. Could be dealing with someone online, or this could be someone who's at a distance from you, okay? Your biggest challenge is to open up, okay? Your biggest challenge is to trust your intuition, actually, is what I'm getting. You're not trusting your intuition right now, all right? You're finding it really hard to trust your intuition right now. And all this is because there's just no communication. So probably there's a lot building within you and it's stressing you out. Like I said, it's weighing you down. You just don't know what to do. All right. You could have been in separation with this person. This person could have left you out in the cold. You abandoned them. They abandoned you. You could be giving them the cold shoulder, just being very icy towards them. Okay. You're watching, looking, spying, but you're just not talking to them. Okay. I'm seeing someone who's watching you from a distance, or you're watching them from a distance. But the reason for the reading, the root of the issue is that someone wants to come in finally and express how they feel. There's someone here who wants to give you a love offer. They're coming in. All right. They're coming in with this love offer. They want to tell you how they exactly feel about you. And it's like almost like they want to pour the entire cup of love to you. Okay. That's what's happening. But you're not trusting your intuition again. You have your doubts about this, is what I'm getting. So in the past year, you could be dealing with someone who was like a fraud, or someone who was extremely manipulative, okay? Someone who didn't have the best of intentions. Or this could just be someone who you were dealing with who was just wearing a mask, okay? They were wearing a false mask and they were just pretending to be something that they're not, is what I'm getting. But they're rushing in. Someone's rushing in, I feel, to communicate with you. They're very passionate about you, okay? They're very passionate about you. This is passionate communication coming in. However, you are extremely disappointed. I feel a lot of dissatisfaction and discontent within the situation, and you're just not happy with what you're getting. I feel you're going to try and you're ignoring this person, okay? You're trying to, like you're trying to act like you don't care. But actually, from within, it's the problem is that you're not trusting your intuition again and again. You're not listening to your higher self. You're not listening to the psychic advice. Probably that is one of the reasons that you need to come here and watch tarot readings. But that is the immediate challenge that I see. Trust yourself, trust your gut. Don't listen to the logic, don't listen to the heart, but trust your gut. Sometimes when we're in this state of mind, we usually try to, when things are just not moving forward and there is a halt, there's a stagnation, or things are just moving considerably slower than what you expected, we start to doubt the connection, okay? When we start to doubt connection, we feel very powerless. We feel we can't make shit happen, right? And that's when we realize that what our gut is saying, even if we're trusting it, we see what our gut is saying and the logic is saying is the same thing. That's how we try to play with ourselves, and that's how we try to play mind games within ourselves, okay? And that's exactly what you're doing right now. You're playing mind games with this person, okay? But this person is coming in regardless of whether you trust your intuition or not. They're coming in, but you're just not happy right now. You're just being very aloof from this person, and you're very stagnant. Okay, you need to come out of that stagnation mode because you're upset, you're missing this person probably, but it's more like, you know what, I didn't get. You're focusing on what you don't have, but not trying to see the chances of what can be, is what I'm getting. Okay, and that's one of the reasons why in your emotions you feel that things are just not moving forward. Okay, you feel you need to force this relationship to happen. Okay, but that's not really the case. Again, I feel this is the kind of energy that you are doing right now is more like, you know what, you have too much expectations is what I'm getting. You're too attached to your expectations. You want it your way only. Again, in your environment, I feel that there is still someone who, again, you're feeling like this, and this person also feels that there is injustice. Okay, that something's just not fair, something's imbalanced here. All right, you both are feeling the same way, although there's one person here who wants to be vulnerable, they want to follow their heart, they want to come and talk to you. Okay, but the thing is that I think there's cut in communication from both the sides. All right, both the sides. One person is really wanting to, okay, they want to, but because you are holding back, you're giving this low vibrational energy to them, they're picking up on that. Okay, so now they're feeling that something's not balanced, or they're feeling that, you know what, that they're not going to be able to give you justice is what I'm getting. That's why I feel in the likely outcome there's going to be still either there's a third person involved here, I don't get that so much here, or okay, there could be a third person involved here, could be someone at work who's interfering between you and the other person, or there is just a simple lack of commitment, lack of effort, okay, that you both need to put in, or one person, it's a one-sided situation. Still, it's still going to be a one-sided situation, and there is still a lack of commitment and lack of effort. You know, you guys are just not being able to come to the same page because you're not being able to get this person to agree with you. Okay, again, you want this person to agree because you are trying to control the outcome, Aries. You're trying to control the offer that's coming in. You don't want the Knight of Cups. Maybe you want the King of Cups. Maybe you don't want the King of Cups. Maybe you want the King of Pentacles. Okay, so for you, it's like it's not enough that this person just comes in and expresses their feelings. You want it your way, my way or the highway is what I'm getting. Okay, and that's exactly why the situation is still not being able to come together. And it's really burdening you. Okay, it's like, you know, you're so stuck, you can't even move on from this person. In the past you may have tried to get rid of this person, like, you know what, I cannot do this. Okay, I'm clear about what you want and I don't want you, but it's like you can't even move on from this person, and you're carrying a burden. This entire situation, it's like you're carrying this burden on your shoulders that you cannot let go and you can't carry. Okay, you're in the middle, and all this is because I think you're not happy with what you're receiving. Maybe there's someone, you feel that this person is emotionally breadcrumbing you all the time. Okay, and that's something that you probably are used to, and that's why probably you made a decision to let this person go. All right, so in order for you guys to come together, I don't know. All right, Aries, let me know if this reading resonates with you. Leave your comments below, like, share, subscribe. That'll be awesome, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.